We'll show you how to send Robux to friends or other people on Roblox using mobile. If this helps you out, please think about liking the video and subscribing. This is a really useful thing to know how to do. To begin, the person you want to send Robux to needs to sign in on their own Roblox account. I'm already on the account that we're going to be sending the Robux to. Tap more in the bottom right corner, scroll down and hit create. Then tap the three lines in the top left, scroll down and choose creations. Select this place right here. Sometimes you have to tap it twice, then tap the three lines in the top left once again and scroll down until you see passes and monetization. Now, scroll down and choose create a pass. Give it a name. Add an image and description if you want, and then press create pass. After that, tap on the pass you just made again. You might need to tap it twice. Hit the three lines in the top left and choose sales. Switch on item for sale and type in the price. Set the price to the amount of Robux you want to send. Tell the person to enter that amount here. They can now close this screen using the top left button. Make sure you're friends or at least connected on Roblox. If not, add each other. Now the person who's sending the Robux needs to log into their own account. Find that friend or connection and tap on their profile. Scroll down and hit view full profile. Tap creations, then open their place. Scroll down to the store section and look for the pass they created. Tap the Robux price and press buy. And just like that, those 50 Robux will be sent to them once the pass is purchased.